How to remove shared access on OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and want to read on how to remove shared access on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now locate the shared file or folder. Navigate to the shared files right here. Tap on it. Now from here you can simply see the file or folder that you have shared before. So I haven't shared any files right now, so it is showing just like this. So if you have shared, you can simply see them right here. Then tap the three dots next to it. Then in the menu, tap Manage Access. Then you will see a list of shared links, a list of people who have access. Now to remove the shared link, tap the link icon, select Delete Link and confirm when prompted. Then tap on any person listed under Shared With. Then tap Remove Access or Stop Sharing. You can do this for the individual removing for the access. And that's it. This is how you can remove shared access on OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.